It's summertime and we're making peach barbecue chicken. Let's start with a brine to keep that bird juicy. Add water and give that chicken a soak. These can stay in the fridge for 4 hours or overnight. You do you. Now prep your sauce. Start with some fresh summer peaches. Who doesn't love peaches? We're gonna also combine ketchup, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, paprika, Dijon, honey. Let's get our brined chicken out of the fridge and dry it off. What do you say we take this outside? We're gonna get the grill nice and hot and brown that chicken. 6 minutes per side will do. Move those to the top grate and let's make the sauce. Onions, garlic, and peaches in. Then add your barbecue base and simmer. Chicken gets a quick coat and then it's back to the grates for that final char. Thin your sauce with chicken broth, and when everything is cooked, combine it in that skillet and serve. Yum!